Welcome to a quick walkthrough of a 3-bedroom at Heathergate. This unit is 1,120 square feet and prices start at $1,144 a month. When you first walk in, you'll be in your large living room. You also have a coat closet right as you enter. On the other side of the living room, you have a sliding glass door, which leads out to your own personal balcony. You'll then head through your dining room and into the open kitchen with a breakfast bar. Your kitchen comes with a fridge, microwave, dishwasher, and garbage disposal. Through the kitchen is a small laundry room that has a full-size washer and dryer. Shelving has also been installed to hold your detergents. At the beginning of the hallway is bedroom number 1, which has one window with all new blinds and a large closet. Back out of the bedroom, you have a closet in the hallway with plenty of extra storage space. The hallway bathroom is a full bathroom with a shower, toilet, and large vanity. The second bedroom is the same as the first with the window and large closet. At the end of the hallway, there is another large storage closet. Here is the large master bedroom. The sink and vanity with a large mirror are in their own separate area. The one door opens up to a large walk-in closet with tons of shelving. The other door opens up to the shower and toilet area that has shelving for towels.